Hey everyone, today I have a really nice pair of athletic ankle socks for y'all. This is by the brand LIMPIDEE, but actually they're made by the same manufacturer as Wander, which I have done quite a few videos on, and I really do like their socks. They have great quality and they're super comfortable. So you do have the option of getting these in a different color than the white that I have here, and it comes in a pack of 6. These socks are majority made out of cotton, which means they will shrink a little bit in the wash, but unfortunately they only come in one size as of the upload date of this video, which is a US women's size 7 to 11. So if you're kind of on the high end of that range, this might not exactly fit you, but if you're anywhere below that, I think these should be fine. As I mentioned earlier, the thing I love the most about these socks is not only are they affordable, but they are super comfortable and well stitched. You can always easily tell the quality of a sock by turning it inside out to see if there's any loose stitching, and you can see there's really none here. The fabric is super soft and stretchy, so it doesn't feel like it's constrictive at all. I do find that compared to other cotton socks of the similar type, this is definitely slightly thicker than those, so this is also a really nice winter sock too. Now in the product listing it did label it as athletic. I wouldn't say these are really geared for running though, something that would require high intensity, just because it has a really high cotton content, so it's going to absorb sweat a little bit more. And it's also not designed to be a little bit more constricting where the arch area is, which would help keep these socks snug to your feet if you were to do high intense activities such as running or sprinting. So these are probably not ideal for that kind of activity, but for any other sports activity I think these are perfectly fine if you're looking for ankle socks. And because of its neutral color, these can pretty much match up with any shoe that you wear with them. So that pretty much sums it up. If you're in the market for some simple, comfortable ankle socks that come in a larger pack, look no further. Again, as usual, I'll have the product link in the description so you guys can decide for yourselves.